Hey guys, so I finally did it. I'm a mentor now, so if you're looking to come to Swift and you'd like to have a mentor, me, more than welcome to. I also found out today that the Walmart floater special division thingy majiggy whatever is complete. I'm on a new division that is very unique, and it gives me the added benefit. Well, you guys were looking at my chin there. It gives me the added benefit of being on a dedicated account at the same time as being OTR. So it has some freaking awesome benefits, which I don't know all of them yet. So I'll kind of like explore that with you guys over time. But to me, it's just kind of like I'm still trying to figure it out. It's noontime. I got run at 1800. Yeah, I'm going to try to eat some lunch here in a minute. But anyway, so I'll get you guys some updates on that as soon as I can. I am hoping to pick up a student, my first student, very first student, and maybe today or tomorrow. Today is Friday, so if I do pick up that student, that is a OTR student, and so I'll be an OTR driver. Although I probably will have him become a rush driver for Walmart or Target, as long as I see that he can do that kind of work. You know, I don't want to put my name out there and be like, you know, hey, you know, this would be a good guy for you guys to utilize if he's not willing to do the work. You know, some people, they're just, I don't know. You know, I trained some people in the world of repossessions, and I taught some people and they were good. Okay, they wanted to learn. I made them a good agent. And then there were some that were tow truck drivers. That's it. They were not a repo guy. They could operate a tow truck. And if you broke down the side of the road, they'd be a great person to go get you picked up. But not to repo your car. Not everybody's cut out to do it. It is what it is, right? So, sorry, I'm coming off a flu. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same thing with when it comes to driving. You know, I don't think everybody will be able to do Walmart. There's a lot of people that hate Walmart, which I think is kind of foolish. I think Walmart is a great account to be full-time or rushing like I am. Now, personally, I prefer rushing. I'll do a video all on Walmart later and what my views and opinions are on that. But generally speaking, I don't have a problem with it at all. My truck was in the shop, so this week is going to be terrible paycheck-wise. This year, the first month I had this year was freaking fantastic. Second month, I kind of like went downhill. Didn't hit the marks where I was hoping to. This month has been slow. Mostly because I've been trying to get my mentor thing going, also getting a ticket that I had taken care of, so that took a whole lot of extra time, and I'm getting a double chin. I need to work on that. So yeah, this month I'm not gonna hit my target, but it is what it is. Next month I'm definitely gonna try to, you know, grind on it, hit it hard, and go from there. This month I'm just gonna kind of not float, but make money where I can. I'll do a running total for you guys probably in the next video. If I have time, I'll kind of sit down and talk about what I'm seeing. But anyway, so getting beyond that, let me see if I can set you guys up right there. Yeah. So getting beyond that, really don't have anything new to say or talk about. You know, I'm still up in the Northeast area, running New York, Pennsylvania, although that's probably going to be changing. This video is kind of bouncing all over the place, I know. Oh, I I've seriously been looking up at some properties up in this area, and I think I might buy some land out here to do some camping on. I like camping. Might build a small little log cabin on it. Don't know. But having something on the East Coast and on the West Coast would be kind of nice, because I do live in Texas. So if I had something over here and something over here, I would never be too far from being able to go somewhere, so to speak, take off your shoes and just, relax a little bit. So I kind of been playing with that idea a little bit. Some of the land up here is really not that expensive, although out on the West Coast it can get quite pricey. But yeah, just kind of seeing what my options are. But as you guys know, the end of this year, I'm planning on making $10,000 per month steady, and by the end of next year, I'm hoping to have over $250,000 in net assets, between the house, property, vehicles that I already own, and other things. So in the stuff that I already own, I'm probably at 30 to 50,000, something like that. I've had to sell a lot of stuff. So that means between this year and next year, I got to come up with $100,000 worth of property, or assets. We'll just call them assets, either in liquid or hard assets. 200,000 sounds like a really big number. It is a really big number. Watch me do it. Everybody who's out there who says I'm not going to do that, or it's impossible, watch me. Alright, that's not a great look. Anyway. Alright, so I'm going to order me some lunch, get this video going to get uploaded, and I'll catch you guys another day.